Shake. Move back and forth, or up and down with quick movements. She shakes her head to show disapproval. He shakes the bottle to mix the contents. Point. Indicate a location, direction, or object with a finger or other means. She points at the map to show the route. He points to the sky to show the stars. Sleep. Rest in a state of reduced consciousness and inactivity. She sleeps on the bed every night. He sleeps late on weekends. Be. Exist or live. She is happy with her new job. He is tall and athletic. Have. Possess, own, or hold. She has a car that she drives to work. He has a book that he reads every day. Do. Perform an action or activity. She does her homework diligently. He does the dishes after dinner. Say. Utter words to express thoughts or feelings. She says hello to everyone she meets. He says goodbye before leaving. Go. Move or travel from one place to another. She goes to school by bus. He goes home after work. Write. Mark letters, words, or symbols on a surface. She writes a letter to her friend. He writes a report for the office. Read. Look at and understand written words. She reads a book before bed. He reads the newspaper every morning.
Dance.
Move rhythmically to music. She dances to her favorite song. He dances at the party with enthusiasm. Sing. Produce musical sounds with the voice. She sings a song with a beautiful voice. He sings beautifully in the choir. Swim. Propel the body through water using movements. She swims in the pool every morning. He swims every day for exercise. Drive. Operate and control the direction and speed of a vehicle. She drives to work every day. He drives a truck for his job. Cry. Shed tears as a result of strong emotion. She cries softly after watching the sad movie. He cries loudly when he is hurt. Suck. Draw into the mouth by contracting the muscles. She sucks on a lollipop while studying. He sucks the juice from the orange. Spite. Intentionally annoy or hurt someone. She spites her brother by hiding his toys. He spites his friend by making fun of him. Vomit. Eject the contents of the stomach through the mouth. She vomits after eating something spoiled. He vomits in the bathroom due to food poisoning. Touch. Make physical contact with something. She touches the wall to feel its texture. He touches the screen to select an option. Hear. Perceive sound with the ears. She hears the music playing in the background. He hears a noise coming from the kitchen. Taste. Perceive the flavor of something. She tastes the soup to check its seasoning. He tastes the cake and finds it delicious. Smell. Perceive an odor or scent. She smells the roses in the garden. He smells the perfume to see if he likes it. Kick. Strike with the foot, but she kicks the ball during the game. He kicks the door to open it. Punch. Strike with the fist. She punches the bag during her workout. He punches the air to practice his moves. Push. Exert force to move something away. She pushes the cart down the aisle. He pushes the door to open it. Mumble. Speak in a low and unclear voice. She mumbles to herself when she is nervous. He mumbles a reply when asked a question.
Get.
Obtain, receive, or come to have something. She gets a gift from her friend. He gets a job offer from a prestigious company. Make. Create or produce something. She makes a cake for the party. He makes a model for his science project. Know. Be aware of through observation or information. She knows the answer to the question. He knows the way to the destination. Think, consider, or reason about something. She thinks deeply about the problem. He thinks quickly to find a solution. Take, acquire possession of something. She takes a picture of the sunset. He takes a break after working hard. See, perceive with the eyes. She sees the stars in the night sky. He sees a movie at the theater. Come, move towards or arrive at a place. She comes home after work. He comes to the party with a gift. Snort. Exhale forcefully through the nose. She snorts with laughter at the joke. He snorts angrily when he is upset. Tap. Strike lightly or gently. She taps the table to get attention. He taps the screen to select an option. Slam. Close or strike with great force. She slams the door when she is angry. He slams the book shut after finishing it. Pluck. Pick or pull something off. She plucks the flower from the garden. He plucks the string of the guitar. Drop. Let fall or lower something. She drops the keys on the floor. He drops the phone accidentally. Clap. Strike the palms of the hands together to make a sound. She claps loudly after the performance. He claps his hands in delight. Snap. Make a sudden sharp sound. She snaps her fingers to get attention. He snaps the twig to break it. Smile. Form an expression of pleasure with the mouth. She smiles brightly when she is happy. He smiles warmly at his friends. Blink. Open and close the eyes quickly. She blinks slowly when she is tired. He blinks rapidly in surprise. Listen. Pay attention to sound. She listens to music while studying. He listens carefully to the instructions. Bend. Flex or curve. She bends her knees to pick up the box. He bends the rules to help a friend. Turn. Change direction or orientation. She turns left at the corner. He turns the page to continue reading. Spin. Rotate rapidly. She spins the wheel to win a prize. He spins the bottle during the game. Nod. Move the head up and down to show agreement. She nods in agreement with the plan. He nods off to sleep during the meeting. Bow. Lower the upper part of the body to show respect or greeting. She bows to the audience after the performance. He bows in respect to the elders. Laugh. Express amusement or happiness with vocal sounds. She laughs loudly at the joke. He laughs heartily with his friends. Feel. Experience an emotion or physical sensation. She feels happy when she receives a gift. He feels sad about the news. Shrug. Raise and lower the shoulders to express indifference or uncertainty. She shrugs her shoulders when asked a question. He shrugs nonchalantly and walks away. Sigh. Exhale audibly to express relief or disappointment. She sighs with relief after the exam. He sighs heavily after a long day. Cough. Expel air from the lungs with a sudden sound. She coughs softly to clear her throat. He coughs loudly when he is sick. Clean. Remove dirt or mess from something. She cleans the room every weekend. He cleans the dishes after dinner. Play. Engage in an activity for enjoyment or recreation. She plays the piano beautifully. He plays football with his friends. Defecate. Discharge feces from the body. The dog defecates outside during its walk. The baby defecates in the diaper after feeding.